back to my channel. So today we're doing another resin pour, and I really want to try another Larimar effect. So I'm gonna do the same as last time, but I'm going to use a different resin. So just to make sure to find the right resin, the first one I did was a 2:1 ratio. The second one I did that actually didn't work at all was a 1:1 ratio. And this is a 3:1 ratio. So my work time is really short. So I'm mixing this up quickly. Then I'm going to show you how it looks when I'm pouring. So for the white, I'm going to try just the tip. I'm going to do just a little bit more. That should be enough. I should have just watched my other video back to see how much I did. It was like 2 days ago, but I already don't remember. But I think this looks good. Then for my dark color, I'm going to use my purple again. Think about this much. And I'm going to put in 5 drops of the other red color. Let's see what that gives us. I would prefer it a little bit darker, but I'll leave it for now. I'm going to do my blue. 1, 2, 3, 4 of the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4 of the green. Let's see if that's good enough. Looks like a pretty color, but I think it's too light. So I did 4 more drops. I think that looks about the same as I did last time. Only thing I want to change is add a little bit of black to this purple. So I've got some black acrylic paint, and I'm just going to put some in. Hopefully that's not too much. The resin is already heating up, so I have to hurry. That's the issue with this resin. It really likes to heat up quickly, and it is quite hot in here. We're having kind of a heat wave. I think this is looking good. Mixy. Just make sure it's fully mixed. I'm just going to pour the white in. I am going to pour some clear. Mix. I'm just going to pour this into the center, trying to push out the white. Pop some bubbles. And there's a hair. Got it. And now goes the lighter color. And I'm going to finish up with some clear to fill up the mold. That's a lot of clear. I should have done more color. So that's all of it. And there's something in it. I had this happen the last time as well. I don't know what it is, but I think in one of the pigments there's something not mixing right, but the white is going over. So I'm just going to let this sit and hope for the best, and hopefully this one will work. So it's the next day and it's time to unmold. The top part is looking pretty promising, so let's just get it out. I think I got a little bit too close with the flame to my mold. So got a little chunk there. That's sad, but okay, so let's see. I did end up adding some glass stones in the center, so I don't know if that worked at all, but let's just go for it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for. And so I think there's too much white in here. So we do know the thinner resin works better. So I think I'm going to go back to the first resin I tried in the other video. I will link up here and down below in the description. But I prefer this side again, because this looks really cool. I just wish this was more on the other side. So if you like this video, please leave a like. I really appreciate it. And if you'd like to see me do this again, please subscribe to my channel and click on all notifications so you don't miss the next one. And for now, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone!